This is my screen door design for any toy hauler or box trailer or anything. It's pretty simple. Few people are having trouble building this. Don't make it harder than it is. It's very simple. It's not complex at all. I'll show you a little bit of things close up. I'm shooting this video myself, so it might be a little bit hard to get the right angle. So basically, these are 2 screen doors. I think I got them from Lowe's or Home Depot. Basic patio screen doors. You buy whatever size you need to fit your toy hauler. Screen kits and screen framing kits on the right and left. And there's some angle iron and some aluminum track. I used all aluminum. Of course, it's light and it doesn't rust. The only thing holding it on is there's 3 brackets going down each side, 2 bolts at the top. That's it. And there's rivets that hold it together. There's nothing else. A bunch of Velcro, plastic. So this is very simple. If you look at this, all you have here is angle iron on each side. So I can get in here and see this. And then I have, that's 1/2 inch and 3/4. I would use 3/4 for both doors. Reason being, when I put this plastic on and this Velcro on, the screen kit made it real hard to get in there, but it is tight in there. I'd probably use 3/4 on both if I did it again. Real simple. So you pinched in. I'll show you in a second how I did that. I got, when I bolted this bracket back there on, that bolts there, I didn't drill any holes in this trailer at all. Put this patio kit in. I got 3 rivets, 1, 2, 1 in there, short rivets. Then that bolt holds that on. Same thing all the way down. 1, 2, 3. The only other thing you have here, used a thicker aluminum up here so this wouldn't dip at all, just in case. The rest of it's super thin. Up here I got 1 bolt, the wing nut. Same thing on that side. Take off those 2 wing nuts, take out that bolt. This comes off, all these doors come off. It's not that hard. Up top here, got plastic. Some material from Walmart, Velcro. Seal that down so no bugs get in. Real easy. As far as locking, this does lock. This is nothing but the bracket that came with the door. It's supposed to screw into the wall normally on a patio. Then you have your lock, goes down, locks. Doesn't move. What stops these doors? I was gonna put a pin up here, but I didn't. I don't think you need it. This track right here, this plastic, the seal for the door stops it. Real simple, go all the way around. As far as this track down here on the bottom, it's free floating in there. Nothing's holding it in. Never moves. The weight from the doors is on it. I pull a quad in here, right through the doors. If I get a side-by-side, I'm gonna have to take one of them screens out, which is super simple to get the doors out. You know how you adjust them at the bottom? Loosen the 2 screws, pull up on the door, doors come right out. That screen I can get right out of there too. As far as the plastic on the doors, nothing but plastic from Walmart. Buy it by the roll. And Velcro. Went 1/4 inch, I think, or 1/2 inch on this. Can't see the other side. I can't put it down. It's not that nice up side. Went Velcro all the way around. Looks pretty good. Keeps the heat in, keeps the air in. This is real simple. Explain my system right here. Got 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch. You got your angle iron. Pinch it in between. There you have your track for going all the way around. Except for the bottom. These are just, on the bottom, these are just floating there. Right inside there. They don't move. Put that in. It's real simple. On mine I have this 1/2 inch. Definitely use 3/4 though. When I get the screens in easy. So basically this is what you're looking at right there. That's what you're looking at here. And the other side. On the bottom, just have 2 of these floating down there. Door slides on that. We traveled thousands of miles. The doors never move. I put a stick in each side so they don't slide back and forth. I lock it and sticks in there. But it never moves. Travels well. We leave them in all the time. They open. You can get that back further. Shut very easy. That's what they look like. You can install this in just about anything. I think the aluminum comes in 8-foot sections, which is like just enough. Just makes it. Actually, I think that's what was left, that piece right there. It's like 1.5 feet. Real easy, works real nice. Open it from inside and out. Keeps the heat in, keeps the air in. If you have any questions, send me an email. It's not that complicated. It's real simple to do. It's cheap too. I don't even think I spent, it was under $400. The most expensive thing was the doors were $50 a piece. Everything's available at Lowe's and Home Depot. Everything there. It's real simple. Use short rivets so the door doesn't hit the rivets. And that's about it. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thanks.